Hello everyone, welcome to Mera Udyog. In this video, we will learn how to manage company assets and assign them to the employees efficiently. Once you navigate to the dashboard, go to HR management, then head to the operations section and click on asset management. Here you can create and manage all company assets. Click on create asset and a form will appear where you can enter details such as asset name, type, category, brand, branch, model, serial number, condition, purchase date, price, vendor details, and warranty information. You can also upload relevant documents or receipts. After filling in details, click on Create Asset to save the asset. Next, go to the assignment section. Here, click on New Assignment and form will appear. In this form, you can click the asset you want to assign, choose the employee and role and department details, enter assigned date and expected return date, select an agreement template and handover condition, add accessories and any assignment notes. You will also see a link to create a new document template. On clicking this link, you can create a customized template by entering template name and document title, category and description, dynamic fields like employee name, employee ID, department, body content, and terms and condition. This helps in generating proper asset handover document automatically. After filling in the required details, click on Assign Asset to complete the process. Finally, to view the assigned assets, go to the HR management, then My Data and click on My Assets. Here, employees can see the assets assigned to them along with relevant details, and that's how you can easily create, assign, and manage company assets in Mera Udyog. Thank you.